All right, so I got myself a little bit of something in the mail today. This is my Undercover wing, and I also got my Triple X main masking kit. The one I got is the Pro Flames. Trying to get that to focus a little bit there. I've already done this flame set before, so I have a little bit of experience doing it, so I kind of know what to expect. And I really do like the detailing in the flames. So this is what's going to go on for the paint, and this is going to be my wang, my big wang. Not that big actually, but yeah, this is from Undercover wings. I'm sure you've seen some of the wings on cars and posted some pics on the boards and everything, but I just wanted to just show some of the craftsmanship that this thing has. Like, it is outstanding. Look at just the detail in there. I mean, even the bending where it's contoured for the body, like, it's so the same on each one. Like, it's hard to show you while holding the camera, but like, I held these two up together and they are just spot on mirrors of each other. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. They are spot on mirrors of each other. So at this point, from this point forward, how good this looks is going to depend on me. It's whether or not I'm going to foobar the job, or I'm going to just look at that. I'm going to actually do a good job that's going to make this look as proper as it really is. But I mean, like, you see how nice the cut is over there, and it's the exact same cut on the other side. Like, just the precision, how straight that line is. I mean, these are really made well. It's a thick Lexan. It's not like the super flimsy one, so it doesn't feel like flimsy. It actually feels solid. So yeah, if you guys, obviously it's not painted and not mounted, and I've not done any hits with it, so I will give a better in-depth review of the wing when it's on the body and how it catches air. But as far as the craftsmanship goes, this thing is super nice. If you guys are interested in getting a wing, but you don't have much experience with cutting Lexan, I mean, listen, if you want to try and cut this kind of stuff out yourself, go for it. But I guarantee you're going to go through a lot of sheets of Lexan before you get to something as well made as this. I mean, this is just super nice. And as you guys know, I do like to support grassroots companies that are getting started, posting up videos and parts inside the groups, and that gaining traction inside the groups, and basically the quality of the parts is what's speaking for themselves. So I like to support any of these types of companies in my build, and I've done it as much as I can with my chassis. I've got an RCRI chassis. I've also got I got the Mamba racing cat packs. Travis, please stop barking out the window. So yeah, I'm still waiting for the body to come in. Other than that, I've got the chassis pretty much completed. The only thing I have to do right now is order the motor and ESC. The only problem with that is that there's the stock for the motor that I want is not going to be available until April 20th. So I still got a couple of weeks to wait for the electronics that I need to be available, and then we'll get this all together and start making some test hits. But as we're going along, I think I've been getting some good progress. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you guys are at all interested in these Undercover wings, or if you guys are interested in getting a wing for your kit, they seem to make wings for all the dope bodies. So when new ones come out, I'm sure give them a little bit of time and they'll probably have a new wing for the newer bodies that are coming out. So with that, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you like the wings, and have a good day. Stay safe.